Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2016 Mazda 6. Starting right away up front, you do have nice chrome accents in the grille. A look down the passenger side. You have alloy wheels. Looking at the tread on the tires. Inside, leather interior. Seats are very clean all the way throughout. One more look down the passenger side, then we're going to swing around to the back end. You have dual point exhaust and a rear backup camera on the back. Taking a look in the trunk. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, audio, Bluetooth, and cruise controls. Full touchscreen that includes your stereo. Dual climate control, and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Mazda on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report that is provided by AutoCheck. All of this and much more at holidayautomotive.com.